So we're going to focus on area of a circle, and this is an EQAO question, I think, from last year, 2015, right? So, though it's very hard to read, I'm going to try to read to you. The following is the formula for the area of a circle. Great. And what that states is that A is equal to pi times r squared. And r stands for the radius of the circle. So whatever our circle is, that is the distance from the center to the outside of the circle. That's what our radius would be. If the radius of the circle is 1.25, which of the following is closest to the area? Okay, so I've marked off a value here, and we have another circle here, but this is the value I've marked off, so we want to see how did we get to that answer. Okay, so from the information, we're going to pull out what they have given us. So they've said radius is equal to something, so r is equal to 1.25 centimeters. Okay, with that being said, our area formula, again, we're going to rewrite it here. A is equal to pi times r squared. Now, r is the value they gave us, so r is what we're going to replace. So when we go to replace r, we end up with A is equal to pi dot or times 1.25. It's a decimal squared. I'll put this kind of in brackets. This means multiplication. Brackets beside each other. So how do I know which to do first? Do I multiply by pi first? Do I do the exponents? You got to think of bed mass. Okay.
Yeah, I think it's the 1.25 squared.
That's right. Because multiplication is 1, 2, 3. It's technically, third down the line. It's in the same space of division. It's kind of third down the line. Exponents are second in our order of things to accomplish. So because we have an exponent here, we're going to deal with that for us first. So we'll bring up a calculator. 1.25 squared, 1.5625. Okay, so A is equal to pi times 5625? Yeah. 5625. Excellent. So we still have one operation. Pi times this. What is pi? Pi is a number that goes on for a very, very long time. And I think this calculator, clear it. There you go. It actually, when I hit pi, it gives us a very long decimal. This is really accurate. It actually keeps going forever and ever. But this is the number we're going to use for pi. And then we're going to multiply that by 1.5625. That gives us 4.908. So
I know why I got something.
Oh, you did the pi first?
Yeah, I did pi times 1.25.
Ah, yes. So the exponent's what's key there. So we take a look at this again. We got it. We go, see, the answer that is closest. And again, it says which is closest in area because it's not exactly 4.9. It's actually even longer because we did some rounding. Okay. And our units, we just got to make sure our units are correct. This was in centimeters. Therefore, area is always in centimeters squared, as in there's two dimensions being measured. Okay. So